Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to paint cherry blossom with watercolor, a negative painting techniques. Hope you'll enjoy it and please watch my full video. At first I am painting the color very lightly because the cherry blossoms color basically white and pinkish, and so I am doing it with first Saraswati Lake, lots of water and very lightly, and now Crimson Lake, some flowers and its shadows. The sunlight when reflects on the cherry blossoms, it looks white and pinks to the viewers. So I am doing it very lightly and some shadows on the cherry blossom, and do it very carefully and make the flower effect on this paper. Cherry blossom are a symbolic flower of the spring, a time of renewal and the fleeting nature of life. Their life is very short. After their bud peaks around 2 weeks, the blossoms start to fall. Now after the dry the paper of the first wash, now I am doing the sky, background sky, and cutting out the white flowers from the trees. This is a negative painting and the white value of the trees are picking out, and it looks the cherry blossom effect very beautiful. So why I did the first layer very lightly. I am using cobalt blue for the sky, and some gap of the trees you can feel the sky there because it's transparent, the sky. And now using sap green, the field where the tree stand, and little bansana with it, and do it loosely. Our main object is the cherry blossom trees. Now I paint the trees and its branches on that, and do the branches here and there. Look it where it needs and do some branches of the tree, and the watercolor. This is very simple, a trees painting for this springtime, and I keep this painting very simple to understand for the beginners. Hope it would be very helpful for beginners who start the watercolor painting. And now I am doing some shadows on the trees and flowers. You can do it a finishing touch with the shadows because the tree is looking very flat, and so the shadows make it a 3D looks. And after this, also doing the shadows of the tree on the field. It's very necessary because it is daytime painting. You always need shadows because sunlight coming here from left side do a shadows in right side, and for this you have to a greeny color on because the shadows on the field. So I created with sap green and pansina and cobalt blue. So I think it's very helpful for beginners. If you like my video, please comment, like and subscribe my channel. Hope I will bring more tutorial for you. Thank you for watching my video.